stick, a stone. It's the end of the road, it's the rest of the stump. It's a little alone, it's a sliver of glass. It's life, it's the sun, it's night, it's death. It's a trap, it's a gun. The oak when it blooms, a fox in the brush, the knot in the wood, the song of the thrush, the wood of the wind, a cliff, a fall, a scratch, a lump. It's nothing at all. It's the wind blowing free, it's the end of the slope. It's a beam, it's a void, it's a hunch, a hope. And the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's the end of the strain, it's the joy in your heart. The bone, the beat of the road, a slingshot stone, a fish, a flash, a silvery glow, a fight, a bet, the range of the bow, the bed of the well, the end of the line. Dismay in your face, it's a loss, it's a find. A spear, a spike, a point, a nail, a drip, a drop. It's the end of a tale. A truckload of bricks in the soft morning light. The shot of the gun in the dead of the night. It's a boy, it's a rhyme, it's the cold, it's the mumps, it's the plan of the house, it's the body in bed, the car that got stuck, it's the mud, a float, a drift, a flight, a wing, a hawk, a quail, the promise of spring, the riverbank talks of the waters of March. It's